The average B2B database is barely functional when it comes to contact and firmographic data completeness. Additionally, just as a result of data decay, a significant portion of prospect and marketing data that organizations rely on is inaccurate, undeliverable, and unconnectable, which causes 40% of sales and marketing objectives to fail. Today, we are going to solve the data completeness and data accuracy problem in your database. The RingLead platform is the only end-to-end solution that allows sales operations and marketing operations managers to log in to one platform to automate the process of enriching, normalizing, deduping, lead-to-account linking, segmenting, and routing existing data and incoming data in a customizable, bulletproof process. This video will focus solely on using RingLead's Enrich, which gathers data on a limited amount of fields to enrich and validate your existing data and ensures your incoming data is enriched and validated in real time by the best sources. Let's get into it. First, what we want to do is set up a batch enrichment task to enrich your existing data. So, step 1. We'll set up a new task that will enrich all of your leads that were modified after 2016 as according to your indicated use case. Those leads are most relevant to your organization. Step 2. We'll choose the type of enrichment you want to do. The options for the type of enrichment you choose is limitless, in the sense that RingLead sources data from the industry's leading data providers. In this example, we are going to select Firmographic Enrich, Contact Enrich, and Email Validation Enrich. And in the final step, we are going to make sure those enrich fields are mapped correctly to your Salesforce. And then when we click Run, we've completed the final step of your database enrichment. Now, to move on to the second phase of your data enrichment project, we'll set up a process for automated enrichment of incoming records. We'll start off by setting up a process to automatically enrich each web form filled out on your site using the Intelligent Form feature. On the front end, all a prospect has to enter is their email or company name, and on the back end, RingLead is able to instantly transform that information into a complete person and company profile. Not only does this feature ensure your marketing and sales get the data points they need in real time, but it allows you to decrease the amount of fields on your online web form and thus increase your web form conversion rates. Now that we set up automated enrichment on our web forms, we are going to set up a process to enrich list imports in real time. This allows your company to maximize ROI on trade shows, events, and webinars, as your marketing team is able to immediately import data into your Salesforce and marketing automation platform with all relevant data points so that they and your sales team could immediately and efficiently follow up. Anyway, to set this up, after we drag and drop our list, we'll select the types of enrichment we want to append on your list. And then we'll map the fields in accordance with your organization's needs. Here we are mapping the phone number field from your lead list and Salesforce to the direct dial phone number enrichment point. And then we're going to make sure that all the field values in the incoming records are normalized to a standard format. And then we will assign the leads in this list to your routing workflow or to an existing Salesforce user or queue, and to an existing Salesforce campaign. Now that we've set up an automated enrichment process on your list imports, we're just going to set up an on-demand enrichment process for manual entry. This allows your sales reps to auto-populate enrichment data while they are creating new leads, contacts, and accounts, and also turn any existing record in your Salesforce into a complete person and company profile. Now that we have enriched all your existing records and set up a process for enriching all incoming records, as a result, not only are your marketing campaigns more targeted, more effective, and generating more marketing qualified leads, but with accurate contact and business data, your sales team will convert more leads and your CSM team will be able to renew more customers.